how much of that you think is taught to us through the media, movies, giving us expectations? Is that where you think it comes from, or do you think it comes more from our upbringing and parents and stuff like
I
that?
think it's 100% from the advertising industry, because if they make unreasonable expectations for us, we'll all be unhappy and we'll buy more stuff. They've actually proven that unhappy people buy more stuff. So if they keep us unhappy and unloved and striving and trying to buy, I mean, the dating industry is huge amounts of money on people trying to look better and go to expensive, cool places and show off. And I mean, a lot of it's fun, but it's how much is it driven by not loving yourself and not loving other people? So I think so, there's actual studies that social media has, I think there was a big stink a few years ago about, they had proven that Instagram was hurting young women's self-esteem
Yeah,
and causing even more by eating disorders. And Instagram was sort of like, oh, well, that's too bad. But they're actually proving that, this relentless idea that you're swipeable is hurting people. And yet that's all we know. I'm trying to, in my own small way here, offer a little book that says, hey, there's an alternative.